The pleasant view of the park is breathtaking. You can just enjoy walking about on the park, on the grass, watching people walking by and just looking at the trees. This is what happens here. I just look at the atmosphere, the environment around me, just enjoying it. I'm sure anyone who comes here does the same. Good morning, wherever you are. Good afternoon, good evening. I'm Baba Kobi. I'm one of those recently embarked who walks and runs. I've just run and walked over 3 kilometers to this park, and I'm sitting on the common log that I choose to come and sit now and deliberate on the days or adventures in the vicinity. As you can see, there's so many dog walkers and runners as well. I'm sitting at my log, my chosen log. Sometimes it is just satisfying just sitting there and watching the people walk about and looking at the green grass and trees. It's so peaceful. I left home about 7:30, and this is a 30 minutes walk. Dog walkers are some of the most people walking in the park, and it is quite reassuring that so many people are doing some exercises. Some do some walks just like I do, and some just walk their dogs casually. So it is a relaxing place for people. I'm still walking in the park. As you can see, it's a beautiful park. One can come here for a daily dog or run like I've done. It's just that on my own I cannot record the running, but as you can witness, I'm walking now. It is a very healthy place to come to, especially on the morning like this Wednesday morning. Here I was just trying to read the instructions for using these structures there, and the bin is readily available for everyone to chuck the rubbish. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.